not just coffee, they have oranges and vanilla and cinnamon, papayas and bananas and oranges. They have a lot of stuff here. I found out today how cinnamon is made. It's pretty interesting.
So let's make some degustation. First one is Bali coffee, sorry. Smells very delicate smell. So this is Arabica, right?
Right, it's Arabica. So this pure cacao.
Hot chocolate.
Hot
Hot chocolate.
Right. Yeah.
Totally different taste that we know. Third one is
This ginseng.
ginseng coffee. What does it mean, ginseng?
Ginseng this mean for keep some stamina, like energy. Wake up your energy, like Red Bull, like like that. I mean, yeah.
Oh, I think you'll like this one. Check it.
So this coconut coffee. So coffee we make with coconut and cream and honey for.
Yum. This one is even better. Coconut
Coconut coffee.
coffee.
And this the vanilla. This vanilla coffee. So the coffee we make with.
What's the smell?
Yeah.
Check it.
It's tea, ginger.
Tea. Oh,
This good for your throat, for your food, like that.
interesting as well.
This lemongrass. Yeah. It's stamina, energy,
Wow.
like this. It's lemongrass. Yeah.
I don't know which one is my favorite one.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So I'm trying coffee luwak. Smell is it's much more delicate actually than Bali coffee. And I think that the taste is much more smooth than Bali coffee. Interesting fact is that this one is actually lighter in color than coffee luwak. And this one is lighter and more smooth in taste than Bali coffee. We got also sweet potato coffee.
Right. Yeah. With mint coffee.
Yeah,
This
this one is
mangosteen
mangosteen
tea. Yeah.
tea, and this one is
cocoa and cinnamon.
cocoa and cinnamon.
We call spicy. Yeah.
It's interesting how different tastes of coffee we can get
Yeah.
using the spices and
And that's India. This we call it organic. So
Yeah.
that's why this one the more we have quality than the others.
yeah. Who would say that it's possible even to drink sweet potato cake?
Can.
Very tasty. So we had short visit in our guide place. We got 100 gram of coffee luwak as beans, and now we are following him. We are going to coffee factory, and then we'll see. Probably we'll be able to see how they are grounding coffee and burning. We'll see.
Right. Like, what do you call in the coffee now? Espresso.
Luwak no?
Oh, this one. So that's one way from the luwak. And then you can compare with my coffee luwak in where the place where I work is. If you need sugar, yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's luwak, yeah. It's the luwak. The
Oh, I thought that we have to guess which one is luwak.
you can see the all the even
Yeah.
totally have another like cream we call,
Yeah.
but now
Lighter color and
lighter and then become cream. That's one the mix between
yeah.
from the yellow. If you get coffee, it's not like that. Not really luwak in it. Yeah.
And
But-
it is strong in taste.
Yeah, but that's why the different than totally and take coffee like in some hotel like that. But yeah, still few. That's why you can feel like that.
Yeah.
But at least in the hotel, you know, the coffee does not. I think like not so nice anymore. I mean.
Luwak smell is very sensitive.
Yeah, like creamy a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I do like ground, not so like powder. Yeah. Yeah. But that's why the grounded must be, you know, a little bit thick. Otherwise, when we ground it with machine as well, it becomes smoother. Yeah, you can feel like still like the, you know, the powder will become like that. That we use by machine like that. And it usually use like espresso. This comes put on.
It's not that strong. Robusta is strong in taste.
Yeah, it's bitter.
And it's more bitter.
Yeah. It's